This is Ibrahim الربيعة, the Professional Services Management Director at Sirar by STC. Well, at Sirar by STC, we provide the market, the Saudi market, with unique services and products that will help them achieve their cybersecurity objectives, either from a managed cybersecurity portfolio, such as email security, web security, anti-DDoS solutions, or from the advisory perspective, penetration testing services, forensics, compromise assessment, or even threat hunting or threat intelligence platforms. We have an extensive portfolio when it comes to cybersecurity. We have the talent and expertise that give the customers the expertise they need to fulfill this requirement. And alhamdulillah, they can see the value of it. No, excellent, alhamdulillah, and I hope inshallah we can be here again. Very, very extensive meetings, it's very fruitful, and there are lots of alhamdulillah agreements and deals that have been achieved here.